back for this second video. We've seen how to handle the license for ChatGPT, and we will go through the implementation, for instance, the code that is given here. So you see how now you can handle this in the first video. And so we saw this one. So I'm not going to open the env because you have my lessons inside, so I won't show it on the YouTube stuff. But be sure to get your own env and your own whether on a secret.toml or in the .env to manage your license. So let's go back in this second video where I'm going to show you. So we saw this part and I'm going to show you this one. Well, it's the normally, so I cut this one with a Control-C. I change the directory. I'm still in the same and good environment that I showed in the first video. I'm right here. So see, you have all these elements that have been implemented. I've grabbed this this list, and I've taken some of this example. The one that are most interesting for journalists, what I wanted to show is that how we can leverage on ChatGPT for what I call the augmented journalism. So let's say this one is a spreadsheet creator, which is not really for journalists, but more for a PO like me. And then you can see, you see, so this is the way you this is it. So I was in project 1 and I opened, so right here I'm handling the ChatGPT AP key through this file, so I won't open it because you will see my ChatGPT license. And right here the ID was this one. I think that's a spread, this one. So I've taken this one and I've changed. So for instance, if you need to, you just prompt stuff. The idea was to take 5 countries and to change it. So yeah, let's say I will say 10 countries, and I want the same result. So it has taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically this is programmation, and it's not really interesting. It's not taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strange. As for 10. For column, maybe I did not. Let's see. I should change the prompt. I don't know. Their name. Yeah, 4 column spreadsheet with a random, well, I'd say 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Still, am I changing the correct one? Well. Let's say name and French. I will change it for 5, and then I will say French, and then I will ask if I see. Yeah, you see he has given the, so I don't know, there's a kind of limitation for the number of country, but anyway you can call, and this is working. And maybe I can go with a higher temperature. Anyway, well, you can tinker this ChatGPT, but basically this is mostly in the console. What I wanted to have is to be able to query So I've made all this query and you can find it, and it's very great. It has a great explanation right here, and you have also, we will see the node, and we will see in the next video how to implement with node, but that's basically the idea. So what I wanted to show you now is this one is very interesting because Streamlit enables you to make a real application, so to share the usage and the way you can query ChatGPT. So we will see it in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube account. See you then. Bye-bye.